Okay, good. So, yeah, so you get an opportunity to do, a lot of work. Um, because all day you're going to be working specific material. See? Not random. It's specific. Get this, and we'll pound away at it for a while. See? Get this. Okay, now get this. Now get this. Most people in the audience and on the TV won't. Okay? Don't be most people. They won't get it. See? Well, why do I say that? And then why do I do it if I think most people won't get it, Well, a couple reasons. One, I say it because of experience, okay, with thousands of people. Two, you have to start. See, so everybody, knock on wood is a thing. I heard that comes from the Druids or something like that. It doesn't matter. Okay, in any case, everybody will get something. See, they'll get something. So when I say they won't get it, they won't get what I have in mind necessarily. So they won't get the depth of experience that's available. See, but once again, we are going to dump an ocean on you. How much you can grasp is up to you. If it's all new to you, you won't grasp a lot of it. Bring your cup, okay? Get as much as you can. But you have to start. And then next time, you go deeper. It's like when you read the Book of Not Knowing. You must have noticed, I don't know if you must have noticed. I hope you noticed. You read it the first time. Once you get to the end of it, if you read it again, you see stuff you didn't see the first time, yeah? Yeah. There's a reason for that. See, you can't see it the first time. You're just getting the thimble full of water, so to speak. A little of this, a little of that. Boom. Oh, I got an idea, etc. And then after you mature more with your work, and you come back and you say, oh, okay, you get again. And you get it, and every time you'll get something deeper. Just like with the EMB, their main workshop. Every time you get something deeper. Because it is incredibly deep, and most people never experience that kind of depth in anything, really.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.